Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Audi A6 Avant. Now this is the Ultra S-Line Black Edition model, so it comes very well specified from the factory. So where you'd normally get chrome on the centre grille, on your window surrounds, on the roof bars, instead they're all in the lovely gloss black. The car itself is finished in Glacier white metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles and a mega factory option in my opinion. So being the S-Line, you get the more aggressive body styling, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, the nice flared side skirts, bigger alloy wheels and a nice sporty interior inside. So specification wise, we've got our LED daytime running lights, we've got the headlamp wash for those as well. We've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got privacy glass to the rear, we've got the mega factory option of the panoramic glass sunroof, so that doesn't come standard on these models. But looking at the car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owner. So it is in nice order, it's not riddled with stone chips, there's no signs of any sort of large dents or dings down the sides of the panels. These seem to be in nice order. We've got a nice dual exhaust to the rear, obviously LED daytime running lights all around, electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides up. It's all electric, so it's just press of a button. Obviously being the Avant, you've got a massive boot on these. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room, so they're nice and easy to operate, just pull of a lever. Now we've also got the loading divider here and a jack. Then looking through to the bottom, under there you'd normally find your space saver spur wheel. So if you flick through our photographs, you'll see I've pictured the space saver spur, that's in nice order. And most of these newer cars, they tend to come with tyre inflation kits, so a spur wheel for me is just peace of mind on the roads. So looking around the car, alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 20-inch 5 twin spoke alloys, diamond turned outer edge with the matte Daytona grey detailing within the centres. All four wheels, they're in nice order, riding on nice tyres. But then stepping through to the interior, you've got a full ebony black S-Line leather, so that's in nice order. So poking my head in, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. What I'll do is I'll switch the car off, stop the beeping. So it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. There's no smell of any sort of pets, dogs, etc. But we've got the S-Line embossed seats. Looking at the actual bolsters, they're in fantastic order. Obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear getting in and out of the vehicle. We've got fully electric front seats. These are also heated front seats. Coming through to the door card, again fit and finish on these are fantastic. So we've got lovely Alcantara detailing on the door cards, we've got gloss black, bright silver inserts. This is a two-way memory sport seat, so ideal if you're looking to share the vehicle with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2, press of a button and that fully adjusts the seat the way you like it. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've got electric boot opening from the driver's side. Obviously the fantastic BOSE surround sound system, which is absolutely fantastic. Jumping inside, we'll close the door and start the car up. So the vehicle is supplied with both keys. They're both in nice order. So starting the car up, foot on the brake, press the starter button and it just rumbles into action straight away. Then from there, obviously the center screen pops out. And then looking at the cabin, looks superb. So we've got this nice flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel, part perforated, lots of ribs on there, so it feels fantastic in the hand. Obviously this one's powered by the 7-speed automatic box, which is silky smooth, and you've also got a sport mode and a manual mode for that. You've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel, allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. Now on the wheel itself we've got our voice command, our navigation information, all of our volume and media controls for the car. We've got our onboard computer, efficiency programs, cruise control information, and your reduced display if you don't want to see as much clutter up on there. But as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has only covered 84,719 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the center display, we've got the radio there, so it's a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. Clicking through to our media and then through to source. On there you've got your navigation medium, your CD, AMI, which is basically your Audi Multi-Media, and then you've got your Bluetooth music on there as well. So you've got the full Bluetooth connectivity, and then you've got your satellite navigation as well. So clicking through to maps, the SAT NAV is very nice and responsive and very clear to use. As I mentioned before, we've got heated front seats. It's a dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got our electric parking brake, auto hold, so if you're on a hill or if you're in stop-start traffic, auto hold always comes in handy. We've got all the shortcut buttons and the center scroll wheel for the display, so everything's really nice and easy to navigate. We've got our volume controls for the media, central cup holders, obviously central armrest, and then within there we've got a bit of storage, and then lifting the whole thing up you'll find your Audi MMI and a 12-volt power outlet. Now, just before we finish the video, I'll quickly show you through to the rear seats, as they are in nice order. So just coming through to the back, again, fit and finish is fantastic, so straight away you see it on the door cards. Lovely gloss black detailing. You've got BOSE on the bright silver bits there, and the leather seats are in superb order. They look like they've barely been sat in. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, obviously seating for free. You've got free seat belts down there. Folding this down, you've got a nice big central armrest. You've got quite a bit of storage within there as well. And then jumping inside, your rear passengers also have the climate control as well. So you've got rear vents, so they get the full benefit of the air conditioning. And then obviously you've got another 12-volt power outlet in the back here. So ideal if you've got children, they can charge the phones as you're driving along. But again, just going through to condition, all the netting is in nice order, so it's not all stretched out and going fuzzy. Looking at the actual plastics on the back, they've not been kicked and scratched to death. And then just looking through to the cabin, everything looks superb. So even just looking at the steering wheel, there's no signs of any sort of nicks from rings or bracelets. No rubbing away of the leather, and that's the same for the gear shifter. All the buttons and scripts haven't started to rub away. It's a nice car. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you'd like a personalized video, if you'd like more images, more information, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now on sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. I always recommend, if you're travelling the distance, have a look at our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. We've got we've got just under 500 5-star reviews, all from verified buyers, so people who've actually dealt with us. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. You'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors, and you'll also see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. So again, thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.